It's prepping the sills for the vortex skirts. So I've got my caramel wheel, which is very good. I've already made a start, so we'll take a look. Of course, there are many different ways to remove stickers. You can use a scraper. There's some sort of kits. Some people use a heat gun. I don't really trust myself with a heat gun, especially with what I did on the roof spoiler. Put it on too much and scorch the paint, so that's going to need sanding and redoing. So I'm going to crack on with this now, get this side done, get the other side done, and then we'll come back when we are preparing the skirt to be fitted. So done the driver's side sill. I've left the bottom of the sticker on the bottom. It looks like it's peeling away that, I don't know what you call it, underneath it's still the bit that's got that protected stuff on it. But I only needed it enough clear so I could put the side skirt on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just rub down this driver's side wing because it's bugging me now. I'll just show you that. So now, as you can see, that looks really bad. So I've tried polish on it, I've tried all sorts, and yeah, it's the only stick out sore thumb on the car, really. So zoom in on that bit there. So this bit here, that's actually like it's got acne. So yeah, so I'm just going to rub that down with some wet sandpaper and then put a bit of spray on it. I mean, surely it can't look worse than it already is, right? So in terms of sanding, I'm just using this. It goes from 600 to 1000 grit. It came with the paint nuts paint that I got, well, it didn't come with it. But again, you can just click and order, so you can get your clear on there as well. So I'll put a link for paint nuts because that's where I get my colour match paint from. There's my bucket of water. So yeah, let's get cracking. So now already, you can see somebody's already had a go at this because that is instantly paint. So there isn't any clear on there. That's it, so you can see that. So, I have no idea why they painted it. Maybe there was a big scratch or something under there, I don't know. But it's interesting that there isn't any clear on here. So I will carry on getting that sanded down. So as it stands, it was a very, very low layer of paint that was on top. Again, as I've just said, that there wasn't any lacquer on it, it was literally sanded straight through paint. So I'm trying to follow, you can just see, this will focus for me. There, a little bubbling area here. Some more here, so I'm going to get this bit sanded off there, and I think it's going right the way across this whole area. I thought I might have got away with just going down to paint and putting some clear on it, but you can see there it's starting to run across there. So we shall follow the trail. So I've just given it a wipe over, so that's flat now. Maybe go over there a little bit more, but all these little reactions are flattened out now. So get some panel wipe on. Maybe put a bit of primer and then get it painted. So I've covered up the bits that I would call the splash zone or overspray zone, whichever way. So we'll just get some panel wipe on there now, just make sure that it's completely clear of any residue. So in terms of degreaser, just going to use that. Nice clean cloth. Oops, a daisy. Right, so give that a wipe over. Make sure there's nothing left on there, because the last thing I need is for this wonderful stuff to come back. So that's it, weekend's done. We've managed to get the roof rails done. They look a lot better than they did. The wing, of course, still needs lacquer putting on it, but it'll be fine as it is. It needs flattening a little bit, but again, to me that looks more improved than it was, which is the aim of it all, really, just to make it look a little bit better than it was. Again, feel free to comment and let me know what you think, but otherwise we'll catch you on the next one.